Another Computer Tutor tutorial brought to you by your friends at Computer Tutor. Today we're going to learn where a file goes when you save it. First I'm going to open up the File Explorer and I'm going to open up Notepad. In this example I'm going to pretend like we're writing a letter, say to Dear Aunt Sally, inside of our Notepad. So here I go, I'm going to write some text. There's my text, and I'm going to click on File. Now that is because I need to get down here to Save or Save As, and it doesn't matter which one of these I choose right now, as it is the first time I've saved that document. So I'll go ahead and click Save As. Again, both would open the identical dialog box that we're looking at right now. This is an important place. It's called the Save As window. Where will this document go when I save it? Right now, reading from the top of the screen down, I am inside of this PC. I am in the Documents folder of this PC. Here is a listing of folders that are also inside of the Documents folder. And if I use my scroll bar and I come down, and if I had any text files, I would see those loose files as well. Now that I've come down to the bottom, it's time for me to name that file. Notice that it is blue and white. I've got a cute saying about this one, and that is, when it is blue and white, it is time to write. That does not mean that you click your mouse down in there. That means you just simply start writing whatever it is you want to name this file. I'm going to name this test file 2. We're not going to pay a whole lot of attention to Save As type. That's for a little bit more advanced. There's not anything really here for me to focus on except this blue word Save. So I have named the file Test File 2. I will click on Save. Please note that that Notepad document is still open, and across the title bar it is now titled Test File 2. I'm going to go ahead and close my Notepad. So once I've closed the Notepad, pretending like I'm all done writing that letter, let's fast forward through time and say, okay, now it's time for me to find that letter. Where in my computer did that letter land? We're going to use the File Explorer, located typically on the taskbar of most of your Windows 10 computers. I will click on that File Explorer, move up to the word Documents. Now, based on your computer or my computer, these little carets open and close the extended information underneath each section of your computer. So if you're all closed up, you'll want to open until you find Documents. Once I click on Documents, again I am looking for that file that I just got done working on, and in my case here it pops up at the very top named Test File 2. Once again, today what we have done is we have created a file, pretending like this was a letter we had written or a document of some sort. We then used File, Save or Save As, because either one does the same thing. We named that file once we looked at exactly where that file was going to be saved. We then clicked the word Save. We closed out the writing program. We opened up File Explorer. We clicked on Documents, and then we found the file we had created. I hope that you have learned something new here today with Computer Tutor tutorials. If you like what you're watching, click that subscribe button now.